drive out, see what's happening in the world. Haven't been out for a day or two up here. You can see no footprints. It melted and formed puddles, and then it snowed again. I've got footprints here. It looks like a fox. I'm checking things out. Crunchy snow. Looks like it's going to be a nice day today. Might get some stuff done. Going to be a nice weekend. That's what's happened. Where the lights have appeared from the snow. My mushroom lights and my little troll has come back. Here he is. Hey dude. The lights have come unburied. Don't know whether they still work after being buried in snow. About 3 foot of snow on them all winter. There we go. Bigger footprints. And some rabbit footprints. That's definitely rabbit. Don't know what that is. Squirrel. Maybe. Something bigger. Maybe coyote. The big footprints go on top of each other. Who knows? Everything's looking very nice and wintry. The signs have emerged from the snow. I wonder what this was. Excuse me. I bet that was the coyote. There's plenty of rabbit footprints about. A little white rabbit is still around somewhere, or a whole bunch of them. Will be turning brown soon. You can see everything looks very Narnia-ish. Put warning signs up, keep the muggles away. Going to get some milk. Take a trip to the shop. Sister's going to drive me evidently. I'm not going to use the truck much these days as the price of gas has gone up to skyrocketing. I keep tricking my sister and putting little signs up on her drive as well.